To create a new request, click Add New Request on the upper right corner of the requester portal. On Procurement Flow, requesters can utilize Requester Portal to send their requests easily and track the status of their requests. You can fill out the necessary information on the Request Info section of the new purchase request. There are two options when it comes to what type of items you can include in your purchase request: product and service. You can add both types of items in one purchase request. You can specify the item further by filling out the optional fields such as suppliers, delivery dates, and other information.